Hello everybody, in this short video I want to show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper using the Wallpaper Engine. The process is super simple, so let's just get started. So to get started, the first thing you got to do is open up your Wallpaper Engine like I have here, and then you want to come and click on Settings at the top. And now once you're here, you want to come over to the General tab, and then scroll down a little bit in this Windows section, and you're going to see this Override Lock Screen Image option. Checking this box will make it so that whatever your Wallpaper Engine background is right now, it'll set that as your Windows lock screen as well. Unfortunately, Windows doesn't allow you to have a live wallpaper as your lock screen, so it's just going to set a static image of it. So if you're alright with that, you can just tick on this Override Lock Screen Image option. Now just click on OK at the bottom, and then now if you restart your computer, you will now have a new lock screen wallpaper. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.